You eat pancakes all the time, but have you ever wondered how they're actually made? Flushed-face pancakes. The journey begins with simple, fresh ingredients, high-quality wheat, fresh milk, and eggs. These ingredients are carefully sourced from farms and transported under controlled conditions to ensure freshness and safety. Once they arrive at the factory, everything moves into a highly controlled, hygienic environment. The first step is mixing. Large industrial machines combine flour, milk, eggs, and other ingredients in precise measurements to create a smooth, consistent batter. This step is crucial, because the texture of the batter determines the softness and quality of the final pancake. As the batter is prepared, it is continuously monitored to ensure it meets exact standards. From thickness to consistency, everything is carefully controlled using advanced technology. Next comes the most satisfying part, cooking. The batter is poured automatically onto large heated griddles, forming perfectly round pancakes. As they cook, tiny bubbles begin to form on the surface. This is a key sign that the pancake is cooking evenly from the inside. At just the right moment, automated systems flip the pancakes, revealing a golden brown surface. The heat is carefully controlled to ensure every pancake is soft on the inside and slightly crisp on the outside. At just the right moment, automated systems flip the pancakes, revealing a golden brown surface. The heat is carefully controlled to ensure every pancake is soft on the inside and slightly crisp on the outside. Once cooked, the pancakes move along conveyor belts where they are stacked neatly. Steam rises from the fresh pancakes, highlighting their soft and fluffy texture. Before moving forward, each batch goes through strict quality checks. Advanced sensors and trained professionals inspect the pancakes for size, color, and consistency. Only those that meet high standards continue to the next stage. After inspection, the pancakes are packaged using automated machines. They are sealed in protective packaging to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. Speed and hygiene are essential during this stage, ensuring that every product remains safe for consumption. The packaged pancakes are then moved into temperature-controlled storage areas, where they are organized and prepared for distribution. From here, they are transported through efficient delivery networks to stores and supermarkets. And finally, the product reaches you. A stack of soft, fluffy pancakes, ready to be served with butter, syrup, or your favorite toppings. But behind that simple breakfast is a detailed journey. From raw ingredients to advanced machinery, from careful preparation to strict quality control. From factory to your plate, every pancake is the result of precision, technology, and consistency. So the next time you take a bite, you'll know exactly what went into making it.